Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 13th of April 2021 and Tuesday. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best Forex trade intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. As always, guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live intraday analysis so they can learn and develop their trading skill in the real-time trading environment. All right, let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze market today. Just quickly recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade using this platform and produce live intraday analysis in real time, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move on to three major currency pair: Euro USD and pound dollar and dollar CAD. Okay, so as we seen yesterday, that as I mentioned you guys that the prices developed up channel and we were looking for breakout. As you can see, price nicely respected the support. We had a short trade in and then we had a long trade. Technically I had only short trade because I finished my trading day, but I mentioned to my traders look for pullback after this breakout. All right, so let me share with you my intraday analysis. As you have seen it yesterday, as I mentioned you, the price developed this consolidation and we had a breakout. After the breakout, pullback, short trade, and then afterwards you can see here I also mentioned this pullback again in depth, that look for another, because as you can see, once we have two trades, price reverse and the most of the traders were looking for long. I said to you guys, as long as the momentum is bearish and if the price is going to respect this previously broken support, now become resistance, so more likely we'll be looking at short trade, which you can see here price nicely develop another pullback. We have this breakout, pullback and pullback. You can see all pullbacks we had it. As soon as the price hit, you can see here this orange or yellow fib channel, the price was at this level, which I explained to my trader. There is a possibility price might going to respect or break, so we'll have opportunity, and afterwards the price nicely reverse. And let me explain to you what's happened after that. As soon as the price broken, and I explained to my trader look for pullback if the price is going to break. I'm explaining in more detail that if the price is going to break, so look for pullback. So what happened after that, you can see here the price broken this level. Based on the analysis, we have one or two beautiful pullback based on the momentum. Okay guys, so you can see here Euro USD, and if you look at here, the price has broken this resistance, this channel. So look like the price, we are looking another, if the momentum is bullish, as I said to you, we are intraday trader. Let's see, we're expecting another pullback, and if the price fail to maintain this level and break, we will consider this one as a false breakout. Then we're going to keep looking at pullback, short trade here. As I said to you, we are intraday trader. Tomorrow morning we'll see what sort of price pattern is going to develop in intraday system and what sort of candle pattern is developed, price action is developed in 4 hour. We're going to trade accordingly. All right, so today morning we had a short trade, afternoon at the New York session, long trade, which is I haven't done it, but most of the traders bank beautiful pips on Euro USD. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, let's move into the 4 hour. Let's see what's happening here. Overall, you can see here the price basically respected again one more time. We had a beautiful short trade. You can see here this morning, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect, then probably going to be taking a possibility of short trade, which we did, and bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis based on the 4 hour. As soon as the price hit this level, and I did this analysis this morning, you can see here at that time price nicely hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this previous low, and you can see here price develop double top at the resistance level, when the price was at this level. So in intraday, it developed double top, and we have 1, 2, third touch. As soon as the price broken the previous low, we explained to trader take a short trade here, and then afterwards, as explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback short trade here. We have another beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the yellow fib channel, and beautiful trade, and that's what I explained to trader. When the price hit this level, we explained to trader to bank some beautiful pips. And afterwards, at the New York session, we have another analysis. You can see a price reverse, and because you can see this is the 4-hour candle, but within the 4-hour, price fluctuate, and as you can see, the price stayed up, and most of the traders were looking for long. I said, guys, based on the price action, I can see probably price might going to respect. We're only going to look at long if the price gonna break this level, and after the breakout, price retest, then we could taking a long. Otherwise, mainly we interested for short trade because momentum was bearish. As you can see here, based on the analysis, and we also announce all these trades through live audio commentary. That's the whole objective, to train trader with the live market. So we can see here beautiful pullback, which we explain to trader and explain to trader safest way to look if the price is going to break this 200 EMA, which broken, and as soon as the price hit to the resistance, to the support level, that's what we explain to trader. It's time to bank some profit, which we did beautiful pip. So you can see here we had a beautiful this short trade here, and bank beautiful pips today on pound dollar. All right, so let's see. Right now you can see here consolidation still, and prices keep maintaining this level. You can see here, but right now this candle give us the sign of bearish rejection. But if you look at the Bollinger Band, it's squeezing it. So safest way looks see for this breakout. But as I said to you guys, even in the consolidation mode, as you can see, we have banked beautiful pips. So we are more likely be using our intraday system, and that's what we're going to be looking at. If any pattern develop, we're going to take a trade accordingly based on the intraday analysis. But we also keep an eye on 4 hour. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. And if you look at the 4 hour, and we had a beautiful this morning. As you can see from yesterday, we were looking this breakout. You can see here this wedge breakout, which price nicely broken. We had a beautiful long trade. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit and look for short trade here. Let me share with you very interesting intraday analysis with the dollar CAD. We had a beautiful trade. Okay, so this was the analysis I did last night. As soon as I finished my recording, look for this pattern breakout, which is pre-broken, beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the fib channel, we announced to bank some profit. And I also update this analysis instantly in the morning session. You can see here, and in the price develop up channel. But I explained to my trader we have very strong bullish momentum. So if the price is going to develop a pullback this level, as you can see here, the most important thing is we also explain through continuous explaining through live audio commentary. As you can see, look for the pullback, which is price broken, develop pullback. And I also mention if the price is going to break this channel, which price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the blue fib channel, and that was the first target. And as soon as the price developed this target, and we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit because the price was at this level. Ahead we had a daily support in 4 hour, as you can see here. So we banked beautiful pips on dollar CAD, and afterwards at the New York session, as explained to my trader, price reverse. So we said there's still possibility price might going to develop a pullback, and that's what we're explaining to my trader. These are the levels, so we should be looking a pullback at this level. And if we don't see any green candle, and if the price break after the breakout, any pullback will consider, as long as the momentum bearish, develop bearish, then we'll be looking a short trade here. Then what happened afterwards, you can see here this candle in 4 hour, beautiful rejection, and you can see here we haven't seen any green candle at this level as mentioned in the analysis. That's what we explained to trader guys, I think. And a look at the momentum was developed bearish. That's what we explained to trader. Look for the pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed, which we announced through live audio commentary. Pullback, look at the based on the momentum, beautiful pullback, because the major thing, we have a confirmation with this candle. As soon as this candle develop, and beautiful short trade based on the momentum, as soon as the price hit in 4 hour at the support level, and price also around to hit to the blue fib channel, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit on dollar CAD. So you can see here beautiful again, everything basically we analyze in 4 hour, and then we refine our entries and exit in intraday system, plus the live audio commentary. It does help traders, and once they're practicing it, so let's suppose if their traders are trading this pair, if they miss this opportunity, then we ask the questions why they haven't missed the opportunity. If they have any confusion, we help them, we clear their confusion. So mainly we support emotionally. That's the biggest challenge which we have found with the traders. We help them accordingly. All right guys, so that's it for dollar CAD. And as you can see, we have a false breakout, and this is a good sign. But if you look at the overall from last 2 weeks, we don't see any clear direction in 4 hour, but being an intraday, and that's why we found opportunities, and that's why we have developed intraday system to develop trading skill in real time through intraday, because we can find a lot of opportunity. You can implement the same methodology in position trading or swing trading, because we are using pure price action. So tomorrow we'll see if the price gonna break the support, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short, otherwise pullback long. As I said to you guys, we look for this intraday system, and that help us to refine our entries and exits. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we had a beautiful trade, especially in pound yen and all these trades. I just want to give you today just information. It's not about trading a lot of pairs. You should be master only one pair and take the maximum benefit. So today, one of my trader, I'm just going to show his trade just to give you a little bit of information about. Look, he made it 97 pips today. As soon as he hit 50 plus, he just hit his target. And I'm going to show you his trade, right? So just to give you an idea, so 97 pips. If you look at mainly he was taking a pound yen trade, and mainly he made a profit on pound yen. He took a long trade, but he closed it because he was too much exposure. So because yen pair is more exotic and more volatile, so he closed this one, very small loss. Otherwise this trade was in profit if he left it, but he managed to benefit. And all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcasted here. So let me share you a couple of trades. Like for example, you can see this one is the trade based on the pullback, and then again 24 pips. Again, this was in the pullback. That's the entry. And let me explain to you pound yen analysis. And he taken all these pullbacks. Short trades. And if you look at here, this was the first pullback when the price reversed. As explained, pullback, guys, keep taking, as long as the momentum is bearish, and that's what we explained to trader, keep taking a pullback. So you can see that he take a pullback here, bank some profit, he take another pull, then he take another 2 pullbacks here, which is making 35 pips each, bank beautiful pips. All these trades pullbacks. You can see this one again, as I said to you guys, again based on the pullback, have taken it and bank another 35 pips twice. You can see just in one pair made a 97 pips, sorry. As you can see here, just focus only 1 or 2 pair and maximize your trades whenever you see the price is trendy, and whenever see there's a market opportunity. So we had a beautiful short trades. Most of the trades we bank a beautiful pips. You can see here all of them consider banking 21 analysis today. Even the market was overall looks like a consolidation, but as a being an intraday, most of the traders bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside the live support through live audio commentary, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I mentioned you guys, that my main objective is to train trader with a live analysis so they can develop their trading skill. If they have any confusion, they can ask the analyst in the real time. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you have seen this is all price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside with my other professional trader. All right, guys, if you would like to join my team, most welcome. Feel free. If you would like to discuss your Forex trading challenges, as I said to you, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation for limited time. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome, and otherwise have a nice evening and stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.